Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Digital Dynamo era. So in today's video I will teach you how you can create your thumbnail for YouTube video. Here is 3 steps in which we will cover this video. First one is which platform is better to create thumbnail. Number 2, how to find catchy dialogues to write on your thumbnail. And number 3, how to find catchy images to add on YouTube thumbnail or icons. Here, first platform is which is most popular for creating thumbnails. It is Canva. Canva have thousand plus templates to use for graphic designing or other projects. And the number 2 is Vista Create. Vista Create is the alternative of Canva. If in your country the Canva is not working, you can try Vista Create. And number 3 software is Photoshop, which is most popular Adobe software, which is you can use for graphic designing. If you don't have a skilled to use this software, because this software is all manually, you can add all things manually. You have to done course for this software to use this software, but Canva you couldn't complete any course, you can use from first day. Now we comes on the mobile, which applications is the best for thumbnail designing on mobile. Number 1 is PixArt, which is most popular, and number 2 is Pixel Lab. Applications to use on mobile for creating thumbnails. Many YouTube creators create thumbnails on it. Now we go to the step number 2, which is how to find catchy dialogues. If you want to publish your YouTube video on something which is already have YouTube many videos like me, I will teach you how to create thumbnail. If I searched on my YouTube how lines, catchy lines and catchy dialogues and catchy icons, I will have a good idea from YouTube to create YouTube thumbnail. So next step is how to find attractive icons to create YouTube thumbnails. Just search here thumbnail, just open any template which you want to customize. I want this one want to customize. I'll open this template. If you are using Canva, then you can use custom icons on Canva's library. But if you are not using Canva, you are using Photoshop, you can search on Google like me, Facebook icon. Facebook. Just search on Google. You can find every type of Facebook like just as a format which is PNG. If you search it and go to images, you have find thousand of unique buttons which you want. Just search on Google, you can easily find every icon just in your mind. uh, if you are using Canva, you can use from elements. I will like like here you can see in the Canvas library have more beautiful icons to use. Now we can use everything everywhere. We can customize text, we can customize arrow, we can customize background color, everything what we want. Now the third step is how to find catchy dialogues to add on thumbnail, like this how to thumbnail for YouTube video. Just go to YouTube and search about your topic, and you can also find all the catchy dialogues what you want. Like this, I found the secret what buddy tells you. Just combine these dialogues. I find the secret which nobody tells you. This is the combine of these two thumbnails. You can be a good thumbnail creator on Canva. You can sell your this skill on Facebook or social media as a freelancer. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. We will meet in the next video.